enter the works of the village medicine men, and modern doctors in mass urban and suburban areas throughout the world. Sick people are taken to a doctor office or to hospital for treatment. But among tribal and village people in many countries, patients are taken instead to a local medicine man. This medicine man is a combination of a doctor, priest, and psychologist. Some his work methods are similar to those of an urban doctor, but most are very much different. The difference in method is a result of the fact that disease to the modern scientific mind is viewed as something natural. Is it caused by various bacteria and other small things that we can see without a microscope? By contrast, in much of the world, disease is considered to be something supernatural. In the other words, sickness is not caused by something physiological, but instead is the result of deep anger, broken religious laws, the hatred of enemy, and so on. An urban physician knows how to treat a specific disease. Medicine man, however, treats the whole person of an organ, the patient's family and friends as well. Prevention of disease. Of course, there may be no need for treatment if people know how to take care of themselves to prevent sickness. A modern physician might tell his patient what to eat, how much to exercise, when and how to relax and the like. A medicine man, on the other hand, tell his patient to wear a mold, special necklace for protection against bad spirits. Nevertheless, in both village and urban societies, people do become ill and sometimes need medical help. The diagnosis, the first step in any treatment, of course, is the diagnosis. The doctor or medicine man has to find out why his patient is ill and decide what to do about it. For the diagnosis, both asks about symptoms. Is the patient complaining about headache, stomach ache, insomnia, skin rash, but the similarity in method and the doctor's next step is to give blood tests, text X-ray, etc. While the medicine man involves some supernatural method, he might ask the patient about his dreams, use astrology to find the cause of the problem in the start, or go to a trains a condition of deep contraction concentration in which he doesn't function normally in an effort to contact spirits or others being outside the world. The cure. After the diagnosis comes the cure. In modern medicine, this solution usually means one or more of the following. The same method that are used for prevention, healthy food, rest, exercise, perhaps from the or message drug or cigarette. Likewise, folk medicine includes some course as in diagnosis. However, in medicine, man also use a wide variety of supernatural method in his cure. Two of the most common are exorcism and shukhan. Exorcism is based on the belief that disease is caused by bad spirits. Thus, in an exorcism ceremony, the medicine man performs a number of traditional activities to take the evil being out the victim's body. Songs, dance, and religious prayers are part of an exorcism, and soul hunt include them as well. It's the ceremonies in the medicine man tries to persuade the victim's soul, which are believed to have lived left their bodies Soweto. A typical tribal ceremony. The Limbu people of Central Africa believe that illness is often the result of the anger of a relative, friend, or enemy. This emotion, they say, cause a tooth to enter the body of the person who is the target of the anger and to create the disease. When the medicine man decides which body part contains the affected, he calls together the victim's relatives and friends to watch a ceremony at the end of which he removes it from the patient's throat, arms, legs, stomach, etc. Although the patient and the villagers know what has happened, that the tooth has been hidden inside the medicine man's mouth the whole time. The patient is the success of medicine man. Scientists ask how medicine men can actually be successful in their treatment and why they are so popular. The answer probably lie in a combination of the following reasons. First, supernatural ceremonies are symbolic and the people who participate in them believe deeply in the symbol. Even Western physicians agree the patient with deep felt belief in God. Their doctor, the drugs they take, image or symbols will regain their health faster. Then patient will little hope. Sion ceremonies may be effective because people come together for a common goal. Patients see how many people in their communities care about their cure. In addition, there's communal meeting provide socially they feel. Social and psychological problems can be solved along with the physical one of the sick person. For scientists, the result that the trans part of the ceremonies produce certain chemical in the body, which they work to have cure the disease. Finally, many of the medicine man's natural drugs, which come from nearby forest, jungle, or desert, have been found to be medically effective. Scientists are fascinated by what they learn from the method or tribal medicine man here. Um, in in 2024, we can still see the coexistence of modern medical medicine and traditional practice like those of medicine men and various parts of the world, including Indonesia. Here's a comparison of treatments by a modern doctor versus a medicine man for common elements. Number one, diagnosis or fever. Modern doctor may use tools like a thermometer, perform blood tests such as for dengue or malaria, and recommend imaging like a chest x-ray if needed. The goal is to find the exact physical cause such as a viral or bacterial infection. A medicine man might diagnose prefer by assessing spiritual imbalance, looking for signs of sunset or black magic, or reading omens in the patient's body or aura. They may ask about the patient's recent interaction or dreams to determine the cause of illness. Treatment of insomnia. Modern doctor, a physician might recommend lifestyle change such as improving sleep hygiene, reducing caffeine, or taking melatonin supplements. If necessary, they may prescribe medicine like sedative or conduct therapy for anxiety. Medicine men may use supernatural methods like providing charms or conducting ritual to remove disturbance believed to cause sleepiness, such as spiritual or bad energy. They may also offer herbal remedies that are passed down through generations. A medicine man might far from a tree, mental health issues, anxiety, or depression. Modern doctor, psychiatrists of psychologists would diagnose mental health disorders based on standardized criteria, possible prescribing the medicine or antidepressant or anxiolytic, and recommending cognitive behavioral therapy or CBT. A medicine man may interpret anxiety or depression as spiritual unrest on the influence of the negative forecast. Treatment could involve exercise, so returns rituals, offering to approach spring that are believed to cause such condition. While modern doctors rely on science tests and evidence-based treatment, medicine men focus on spiritual and holistic healing, addressing both the body and the soul. Interestingly, many people in 2024 still seek out both depending on their beliefs and access to healthy care.